it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a really quick review of the 999 Bobby Pins brand. Now first off, just if you're noticing that I've got a lot of volume here, I've just filmed just before this the Volume Tour review, which is a hair waffler. If you're wanting to check out that tutorial and review and see if it's worth using, I'll put it in the description box below but also above. So let's get started. Okay, so first up, what is the difference between the 99 bobby pins and a regular bobby pin?
So a benefit of this is that the 99 bobby pins hold position a lot better than the supermarket ones and cheaper brands. And this is because they will go back into shape. You can see here I'm opening up this bobby pin. When I close it, it'll go back into its form. Typically, supermarket ones and those cheaper brands, once you open them up, they never fully close back down, which really affects their ability to hold the hair in place. Because of this, cheaper brands actually can sometimes cost you more as you're having to use a lot more bobby pins to do the same style that you can do with these bobby pins.
So I just want to talk a little bit about the technique of using a bobby pin, as I feel like they're not always talked about. So bobby pins have these grooves on it, and it's so when you put the bobby pins together, they lock in place. So you normally want to do one with the grooves up and then something going across with the grooves facing down so that they lock in place, and that makes them so much more sturdy. A problem with these ones is the grooves, they're not as defined in place, and they don't fit as well. And when you can see these ones are together, this one is really opened up. And so any hair that was in that section is just going to be released. So there's actually heaps of different techniques for helping your bobby pins stay in place. I feel like that needs to be kind of a whole different video because there's different techniques I use for when I'm using them in a bun or just as a general. So yeah, if you'd like me to make a video showing just all the different ways to utilize the hold of your bobby pins, I can do that. Just comment down below, and if there's enough interest, I'll make a video on it. So this is what the packets look like, and you do get quite a fair few in there. For myself, depending on the hairstyle, I reckon I can get around 5 people worth of bobby pins in there. But as I said, it really depends on the style. So I'm going to do a direct comparison now of holding my hair in place with 2 of the high-end 999 bobby pins and then 2 you just get from the regular supermarket. Already looking at the bobby pins, look how much stronger this one is. It clips right back into place. The moment we open this one up, it opens back in, but not always. And I'm going to show you an example. So one of my longer ones, this is how much it's stretched. And also the end bits have come off, meaning they can rip your hair and actually create more frizz. So now I'm going to do a direct comparison just to show you how much stronger the 99 bobby pins are. So I'm just going to grab a section of hair and I'm just going to twist it. And I'm going to pin it in place. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 2 just to show you. I don't know if you can see, but this one is already slipping down the hair. And crisscross. So already, like, I was trying to keep the hairstyle very tight, and you can see there's bits already coming out. And if I give my hair a shake, this has already slipped off the hair and it's fallen down pretty bad. So this is what this one looks like. What I'm going to do is take it out. Now I'm going to use the 99 bobby pins. Same thing, give it a twist, open it up. That is already how much tighter the hair is staying in place. And then crisscrossing it the same as we did with the other ones. Here I can feel how secure it is. So same test. Guys, it hasn't budged. Look at that. This ain't going anywhere. You saw what happened to the last one. So obviously, you're not normally trying to shake your head as much as I was just then. But I was trying to just prove the point of your hair is just throughout the day gonna slip out different things, and having a bobby pin that can hold it all in place, really for any occasion. Having a bobby pin not do its purpose after 30 minutes, an hour, is actually such a pill, and for me, definitely not worth ever spending money on it. So I hope this has been really helpful to show how these bobby pins work and whether they're worth getting or not. I personally use them for weddings. They are my go-to bobby pins. I love them so much. I haven't looked at any other higher end brands, so I can't personally talk on them on other brands. However, these are a lot cheaper than a lot of the other higher end brands, and for me they do a perfect job and I have no complaints for them. So I'm not going to be looking at getting any other bobby pins. So I hope this helps you in finding the perfect bobby pins for what you're wanting to do. They can be used for all different occasions, but especially if you're wanting to hold up a lot of hair or are doing a type of bun, having a really good bobby pin is really important. If you really like these bobby pins, I've left the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!